Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to group text box in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show group text box in Publisher. Firstly, now you can see and create a text box. Now click for insert menu option, then click. Now select from a text box. Now draw a text box. Now type from text. Then again go insert option, then select from text box. Now draw a another text box. Now type from text. Then again insert option and draw text box. Now draw text box in. Now you can see, now select from all text box. Now going to the format menu option, then click. Now click for group option. That is. Now you can see group text box in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.